Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today, let me introduce you this device here. This is a nice device. Yeah. Ooh, as you can see, it is rotating. Yeah. This is a 2K outer security camera system, battery powered, Wi-Fi, 363 PTZ camera, solar powered, PIR motion detection, two-way audio, color night vision, IP66 waterproof. These are all facts, which brings to a state-of-the-art device. I think that's good for a good camera, these stats. Yeah. Protect your home with this advanced 2K outdoor security camera, designed for maximum flexibility and reliable wire-free operation. The built-in PTZ system, PTZ means pan, tilt, and zoom, provides a full 360 degrees field of view, ensuring that no corner of your property goes unnoticed. And it's powered by a long-lasting rechargeable battery and an efficient solar panel. The camera operates completely cable-free if you need it. No power outlet or frequency charging is required. The smart PIR motion detection system minimizes the fall-throughs and instantly notifies us of important activities via the mobile app. You see, it's easy to pair them. Download the app out of the App Store or the Google Play Store. Then, of course, switch on the camera and pair it by using the Wi-Fi network. Ooh, that's easy. That's really easy. And then, of course, you have to install first the camera system to a wall, to a ceiling, to where you need it. And do not forget the solar panel. That means first time you go to the power source. The power source will be the solar system. The sun will blow the sunlight onto the earth. And the solar powered operation system here will catch that and gives this power to the built-in battery of that system. So we have to make a easy peasy connection by a cable, USB-C cable. That means if you does not have enough sunlight, you can also use a wired connection by USB-C cable. Wow. And then complete free charging required before you are going to use it. The smart PIR motion detection system minimizes the false alerts and instantly notifies us into the app of important activities via the mobile app. And you can use the two-way audio, so we can communicate with visitors or warn intruders in real time. Even at the night, the camera delivers a bright, detailed footage. Thanks to its color night vision technology, the durable IP66 waterproof housing provides a reliable protection against rain, wind, snow. This makes it ideal for year-round outdoor use. So, we have 2K Ultra HD, which is absolutely crisp, detailed video quality, and 360 degrees PTZ, that means a remote pan and tilt, for full area coverage. And the big thing behind this, I think, is the solar and the battery powered option. Fully wireless and energy independent if you need it. And of course, the PIR motion detection, accurate human and motion sensoring is on top too. Then we have two-way audio. We communicate via built-in mic and a speaker, and the color night vision. The vivid and bright nighttime monitor is on the go. And the IP66 waterproof level means durable and weather-resistant design for all years, for all seasons out there. And Wi-Fi connectivity. We easy setup in real-time app monitoring. This all brings us this brand new nice device. This is the really cool Nuazi 2K security camera. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback on the channel.